I have been wanting one of these for a super long time. This is the UltraLoQ, what the hell is this? UltraLoQ UBolt ProWave ZWave UB01CA. This is a smart lock that works with Home Assistant, and I've been wanting to get into home automation for quite a while. And I figured something nice, something small, this is exactly what I wanted. And I got this on Amazon Prime Day, so I got it for a little bit of a steal at $245 instead of the regular $300. So let's crack this baby open. Let's see what we got in the box. I did get the one with the bridge, so hopefully they included the bridge. And we'll take it out of the door lock here, get it all installed, and see how it works with the app. Looking in the box, crack it open. You can see we have our UltraQ thank you for purchasing card. We have our instruction manual. And then inside, and then opening it up here, we have the keypad. So here's your fingerprint sensor, a numerical lock, and then if I can figure out how to open it, you should have an actual like key lock. Here we go. And then there you go. We have our actual key lock. Wiring seems pretty simple. Move that over here. Here we have the bolt. So this comes on the inside of the door. All the hardware. They give you 4 AA batteries. Keys. Screws. The lock. The bolt. Housing. And here we have the Wi-Fi bridge. Well, if this thing will come out. Here is the Wi-Fi bridge. This is what we need according to the company to make it work with Home Assistant. So we're going to try that out in a later video, but let's get this lock installed. Now for the deadbolt here, it's initially set to, I think it's 2 3/8. But if we look at the one I pulled out of the door here, it needs to be expanded to 2 3/4. How we do that is we make sure that the bolt is retracted, press it, and give it a twist. And then there you go. Now it is at full length. Now we install it properly. Wire underneath, key through the top here. There we go. Now I know I have the remnants of the old thing here. We'll have to figure that out later. But there we go. Looking good. Next thing we have to do is install the mounting plate using these screws. It says up here, so there's no fear of installing it backwards. And it says run wire through this hole, which is this bottom one here. So let's do that. So just like that there. Perfect. Okay, let's get this baby installed. The last step is to install the back end. You'll have the battery cover here, take that off. You'll see 2 screw holes. If we look at the back, we see the plug for the wire, and then we also have the lock. So these things all line up, of course. There we go. Get this all turned the right way. Now we just need to install the screws. These came in the bag with the big bolts. So you'll have 2 blacks and a silver. Now it's time to set up the app on our lock. So we got our phone. Let's go and get the camera. Scan the QR code. Great, we'll install UTech. Okay, we got our account all set up. Let's go add device. Nearby devices. Allow. So it looks like it found the ZWave. Name of device. Front door. That's going to bother me. Front door. Perfect. Just assign it. Okay. So the deadbolt, please choose the installation direction. Okay, that looks good. Add a door sensor. Skip that. Connect to ZWave hub. Skip that for now. We'll do that in the next video. So front door. Unlock. Yeah, look at that. And lock. If you have an UltraLoQ smart bolt and you want to add a fingerprint, here's how you do it. Come into the app, come into the lock you want to do, go to user accounts, select the account you want to do it for, and then you'll add fingerprint. So start adding. Okay, it's going to tell you to place your finger on the pad here. The numbers are going to light up, and just keep moving your finger around until it's all done. There you go. We'll say all done. Okay, and your fingerprint's added. So now if we do this, the bolt retracts.